Welcome back to Rattle Can Restorations. My name is Ruben, and today we are going to be installing LED headlights on my two project vehicles. Well, actually three, but we haven't gotten to the third one yet, and I have not revealed that one to you guys. And you're probably wondering why I have all this stuff laid out here. Well, I wanted to explain to you guys a few things about LED headlights and why they are the best choice right now for automotive lighting. They are low emitting diodes, and that's what LED stands for. Basically, it's just a charge running through a diode. The charge gets really bright and it emits a light, and that's where you get the LED lights from. These lights are much better than your regular halogen head bulbs, which are lights like these ones here with a filament inside. Some of them are single filament, some of them are dual. So if you have like daytime running lamps or a high beam low beam in one, you will have lights like these, or you will have single filament, which are light bulbs like these ones, which my Mercedes carries in pretty much all of its lights are, except for the fog lights, come with these style here. Now on the Mercedes, you can't just install LED headlights like these, for instance, and these are some cheap ones that I ordered online just to show you guys what LED headlights look like. And basically this is the difference here. You can see it's got a couple of LEDs, 6 to be exact, on each side, but they're the same style to plug into your headlight connectors. Now the issue with Mercedes is they have a SAM unit, so it's basically a computer that controls all of the lighting for the vehicle. Now, when you install LED headlights on your Mercedes, the computer thinks that there is no headlight in place. So what will happen is you will get a flashing headlight, which nobody wants that, because you're going to get pulled over and it's not going to light the road up very well. So what a lot of people do is they'll either wire in another light bulb that is drawing current, so that way the computer thinks there's a regular light bulb in there, therefore sending all of the power to that circuit, thus lighting your LED. Now, that's one way to go about it. I don't really like that way. The way that I decided to go was the way I would recommend, which is going online and just purchasing yourself some of these resistors. They're fairly cheap. There's different price ranges. There are different types. Just do your research basically on what you want to get. But I went with a set of these from Amazon. They were about 10 bucks a piece, and I will leave a link down in the description box below so you guys can go check these out if you want to use these ones. These ones are 50 watt each. And basically all I did, and I'm going to show you guys what I did here, is I went to the junkyard and I found another CLK that had the same type of headlight connector. And all I did was cut the headlight connector off, and I spliced it into the wiring system, so that way I could plug in the LED headlight into the connector and then wire the connector into this. That way it was able to bolt in. And I'll show you guys that, because it doesn't just, these ones will not just go in with this. It's got to have that special piece on the back that hold it in place, essentially. Trash guy just got here. That's one way you can do things. On my Camry now, we're going to be also installing LED headlights on that car. That one, you don't have to do that. That's an old school car. You just basically plug it in and screw it into the headlight, and it works. And I will also be showing you guys how to install those on your vehicle. Now, I do have a few of LED headlights here from different brands that I purchased online just to compare. These are some fairly cheap ones. They're fairly inexpensive. They look like they're okay quality, but I mean at $8, $10 a piece, you can't really expect much out of these. Now, that brings me to my next topic, today's video sponsor. I'm proud to say we got our first video sponsor on my YouTube channel, and that is thanks to the folks at AUXITO. So if you guys want to be brought into the 21st century and you want LED lighting on your vehicle, I will be adding a discount down in the description box below for you guys to go and check out their website. They don't just sell LED lights, they sell all kinds of stuff. And I will be showing you guys a little bit of their website here in the video. But they sent us some headlights for the Camry, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to install these, and we're going to compare them to the regular halogen headlights just to see how bright they are. I'm fairly sure that these are going to be really bright. Now, I could just go with these other ones here, but I know these ones aren't going to last very long and they're not going to be as bright. AUXITO has very good quality stuff, and they've been in business for a while now. They're an up-and-coming company, but they have great customer service, great products, great prices, very competitive, and you know, you guys can get your own LED headlights. So you'll only be helping my channel because I will get some commission off that. I get a 10% commission. So if anything, you don't want to donate to my channel, go and get yourself some LED headlights. I've provided a coupon code down below so you guys can get your own LED headlights at a discounted price. So let's go ahead and get these installed on the car, and we'll go ahead and compare them and see what they look like. I'm actually really excited to see what they look like. So awesome, let's get to work. All right guys, so here is the AUXITO website, and let me just show you how easy it is to look up LED bulbs for any car. So you go here to category, click on LED bulbs. You're going to pick your year, so let's look up some headlights for the Mercedes. We're going to go down to make and click on Mercedes, and then we have the CLK 350. I wish it was a CLK 63, but 350 will do for now. And let's go ahead and look up. Ooh, look, they have the backup ones, brake, courtesy. They even have interior ones. Front inner turn signal, front outer, front side marker, glove box, inner tail, interior door. Wow, I did not know this. Look at all of the LED lights, even the sun visor. That's incredible. Guys, I had no idea. You guys are learning just as much as I am. Let's go ahead and just look up, let's do sun visors because I want to replace those. Mines are out. So let's see if they have some. Look, there they are. Oh, and look, you see how it says CAN bus there? CAN bus, that means they're error-free LED bulbs. You know how hard it is to find error-free ones? Usually I have those cheap ones that I got on Temu, and I installed them and they don't work. It throws a code in the car's SAM module. Wow. Look at that, guys. They're offering a 10% off. I give you guys a 15% off if you guys use my discount code. So you guys will get more of a discount if you go through my link. Wow, that's crazy. That's cool. I'm going to have to definitely order me some of these. But basically, that's their website. And look, they also have off-road lights. Look at that. These are cool. They have jump starters. They have tire inflators. Because I am actually looking for some new ones. Look at this. Jump starter, air compressor together in one. Look at this one from $99, $100. They have two different options. So bigger battery one for $120. Let's just go ahead and look at this one. These ones are new actually. They just launched these this year. Wow. Look, you get 25% off. And if you add my coupon code, you'll get an additional 15% off. So think about how much of a discount you're going to get. So you're going from $159 to $99 plus the 15% discount if you guys use my code. So there you go. AUXITO's website. You see they have a lot of other stuff other than, they even have seat covers. You know, they have tons and tons of things for cars. And you guys get a discount code for all of this stuff through my link actually. So do me a huge favor. The next time you're thinking about purchasing any of these things, go to my link, click on that, and you'll be helping my channel out, guys. Think about how much you will be helping me out just by purchasing something, and you're getting a discount at the same time. So there you have it, AUXITO. Great. Okay, so here's the headlight for the Mercedes, and I wanted to show you guys what I did in order to get this LED headlight installed. Now, unfortunately, these aren't the AUXITO ones. These are the cheap Temu ones because AUXITO still hasn't sent me some for my Mercedes. They only sent me some for the Camry. So hopefully, AUXITO, if you're listening, guys, I need some for my Mercedes. Please send me some so I don't have to use these cheap-ass Temu ones. Anyways, this is the way I did it. So if you look here, this is the original connection for the car. So you see, the issue I was having is if I was just to plug this headlight bulb into there, well, there's nowhere for the resistor to plug in because the resistor has two connections here. It's got these two connections here. So what I did was I went to the junkyard and cut this piece off of another Mercedes. I spliced in these two connectors here, and then I used the connection from the resistors that I got off of Amazon. So this is the resistor from Amazon. So it's got the connector here for the headlight plug, and you plug that in there, right? Well, if I was just to plug the headlight bulb into this without this extra connector that I got from the junkyard, the issue I would have is it would not twist in and lock into place. You see, it would just sit there and eventually it would flop out and fall out. So that's why I had to splice this extra piece from the junkyard. And that solved all my issues of retaining the light with its OEM placeholder. And it works great, you know. There's no way to install it wrong either because it's got an orientation here at the top and on the actual OEM connector for the light bulb. So you just plug that in, positive to positive, negative to negative, and then see here, you see, now it's locked into place. And then all you got to do is just tuck this stuff in, and there's plenty of room in here for all this stuff. And you could always mount this somewhere, but I don't want to drill into the headlight itself. So I just do it like that. And that takes care of the whole issue with the SAM unit. And now I have a full LED headlight. So that was the Mercedes. Now let's go do the Toyota. All right, so first let's unbox our AUXITO LED headlights. Oh man, I'm excited to open these and check them out. It's nice packaging here. Oh wow, look at that. It even comes with some gloves, guys. That's cool. We got some O-rings here, zip ties. All right. Nice instruction booklet and a product manual. Wow, look at that. Detailed instructions and everything on how to install these the right way. That's awesome. All right, now let's look at the headlights themselves. And you look, they already have the resistor built in, guys. That's why these are such good headlights. There's a fan in the back. Look how heavy duty these are. This is really thick, really sturdy. These don't feel cheap at all. Awesome. Let's take out the old ones here. Well, these are the kind of gloves you use to work on like Bentleys and stuff. Pull. There's our old one. Go ahead and plug in the AUXITO one. Oh, there's a lot of dust in there. Let's shake that off. And it's positive, negative. Looks like we got black on this side, so that's going to be negative always. Plugs right in. And then this, done. installed. It's that easy, guys, that easy. Let me tuck this over here. Now let's get to the fun part. Let's compare these. All right, so this is the daytime view. These are our DRLs. This is the stock one, and here are the AUXITO ones. Oh my god, look at how bright that is. Oh wow, that's amazing. That looks so good. And I know the Camry has an exhaust leak. Don't worry, we'll be getting to that in the next video. But look at the difference, guys. I can't wait to see these at night. Now let's go, let's wait till it gets dark out and I'll show you guys what that looks like. And then we'll put both of them in. There is the difference of the AUXITO LEDs and your regular halogen bulbs at night. Look at that. I mean, wow. The difference is unreal. Now I'll back up a little bit here so you can get a better perspective. That is just one light bulb, guys. That is just one of the light bulbs, so you can see that it's just absolutely way brighter. Now let's go take a look outside and see what it looks like in front. And there you have it. That is the AUXITO LED and the regular halogen. Nice, white, bright, crisp light. It's just amazing. It looks great. I love the quality of it. It's very bright, very good. And that is going to do it for this video, guys. Please remember to like, share, subscribe. And obviously we've seen the difference here with the lights. It's impressive, honestly. So remember, check out the link in the description box down below. Get yourself some LED headlights. Help the channel, support me a little bit. Also get a good discount at the same time. So I will catch you guys on the next one, where we'll be working on the Toyota some more and getting some more work done on the Mercedes. Rattle can restorations. And as always, get out there and work on something. And that is what it's like driving with the lights. They are super bright. Oh my god. Those are the AUXITO LED high beams. Regular, high beams. Regular, high beams. You guys see the difference? It's crazy. Go and get yourself some LED headlights from AUXITO. They're great headlights.